This is Monza Sky speaking here. In this Wednesday, my class had went to London to attend TFMA. It's an amazing show, and the Earth Count is also splendid. Many media companies showed and present their new media thinking and the tools in the show. And I learned more from a lecture about digital marketing. Through lecture, I deeply feel that in the next 5 years, digital media and digital marketing will become a trend in advertising and the whole industry. For example, like mentioned in the lecture, many companies will use email to sell and promote, and will create more digital platform to build their brand image and to increase the sales. That's I think the digital way is a trend in the 5 years, next 5 years. That's how I think here.